Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Showing you how my ancestors them work, right? I'm going to show you how God come and catch people, right? Carrying back in a memory lane. 2009, FOOTAHYPE was arrested and charged for illegal possession of firearm and assault with a deadly weapon. Me never have no firearm, me never assault nobody. Then if you know say I call me name to get a forward, don't pay him no mind. Zin? So, this policeman you know, lock me up, like somebody just call the station, because say me and a gunman hold them up and bad them up and me box him, right? The policeman, without no evidence, nothing at all, lock me up and charge me for assault with a deadly weapon. See? When me run at the cell block, me run there for about 6 to 8 days or something like that. So me run there now, and the longer the nigga keep me around there, you know, the police inspector, you know. One day him come to me and like him would have say, you know, send back. No, first him send a police when I squatted them. And the squad say, yo, Mr. Man say, if you want to come out, you know, if you want to free up, you know, send back Ray gun, go give them, you know. I say, me not have a gun for nobody. Me never know, say, Ray have gun. Ray have gun? Me never know. And me there jail, that I went about 3 days in jail, him still a hold me. Then one day him himself come around there, picked up police, big inspector. I think he was DSP or something. Man say, you don't want to go your yard? I say, yeah, you don't have me nothing nothing at all, because I never do nothing at all. The man say, if you want to come out, make the man them carry back John Tom gun them go give. I say, you did give John Tom license gun? And I call my lawyer and ask him how me never know say John Tom have license gun, and me I get pressure for people carry back gun who me don't know about. They are jail all long, I got court all long. In a problem, them hold up on my passport, me can't fly. See? I can't fly. I can't go nowhere. Stress out my life. Alright, fast forward. That was 2009. Now, you know, meet the case anyway, because there was no case, because I never did nothing. You understand me I say? And the person I actually a par with the day was a policeman anyway. My personal bodyguard with my par with, you know? You know you have to have, you know, I got trouble in illegal gun, so we have bodyguard with license gun. So that case they end up dashing and everything. Boom, so now, fast forward, 2019. Yesterday me there, and I see them broadcast one video where police are pepper spray one man, see? When me look, now they said police, the big DSP, where did make my life a miserable hell. Some look a squad here pepper spray him now, can retire and feel like he might give the police them bag of chat after them stop him and them spray pepper spray in my eye. And me I watch it and me I say, Father God. The man that send it to me in a broadcast, they even know, say me know this man there now. Me not know, the youth are sending a broadcast, you know. I don't know when I get my WhatsApp from him, just broadcast. So when me I tell him the situation now, the man I say, bombard. Can him not know him just blast it out from a New York number. Me I say, God, look how you're good. Look how God good. 10 years later, film karma coming up. 10 years later. That's why I'm telling you, say, you see this? You see this? Yeah, man. The police there, they do a hype police. Lock me up for nothing. Try mash up my life. For nothing at all. Because the other side of who them claim say me and them are beef and him a friend. So him company cell block and say him nah let me out till Ray. I mean I know not what him a talk about. You understand? 10 years later, people at 2019, That was 2009, sorry. And now 2019, you know. And me just sit down in there so and just get the video and watch him. And him son a ball and I really, 40 years you give them, man. 40 years of giving us what? How much people life you make a miserable hell? How much people you send through mayhem? How much innocent youth you lock up? And I care who I'm vexing up. He make me there jail innocently for about 8 days or 9 days. And if I got a court and I pay a lawyer and cost me thousands of dollars for nothing. Because somebody come tell the foolishness in a run no survey, nothing. Hype up, lock me up. And I say, nah, let me out till whosoever get back gun. And then the license gun him attack me now. And me don't know who take who for gun, you know. And the man lock me up, you know. Lock me up, people, 2009, I can never forget. And I left him to time. See how time catch up on him? Same system you use to punish an innocent youth. Come deal with your wicked and it up on camera. Yeah, man. My ancestors, them no played people, man. Yeah, so I'm not worried. No, for yes, you rise against me, man. I shall see them fall. I shall see them fall. Me just a wait. Them just the clock just a tick and them just a go on like them a win. They ain't winning nothing, man. Time is the master. Time. When I see the video, I couldn't believe how this policeman here will put me through so much hell. So I just sit down and so watch it and just laugh. Yeah. So I just did it and I see them a pepper spray him. So I look a squaddy when they even used to dip on film level. A pepper spray me and deal with him wicked. And I want some video so that's me could have seen it. Yeah, man.
Viewers and subscribers, do you remember incident that happened not very long ago where a senior citizen, which is also a ex-police officer, was pepper sprayed by another police officer, which is a younger person? You see me? Well, this incident is what FOOTAHYPE talk about. FOOTAHYPE just explained his story, his experience of being locked up, detained for 8 or 9 days by that same ex-police officer and his co-workers. I mean, if you really and truly listen closely, you hear what I'm saying, get locked up and a whole lot of things when go through. You see me? And basically, FOOTAHYPE has said that it is karma working out back its way. You see? Now, I gotta say this, but me don't want nobody think that I'm calling anyone no liar. You get what I mean? But remember, I am not the person that this incident of FOOTAHYPE talk about happened to him. So therefore, me can't just say, yeah, it happened for real. No. So in case me just say that I'm not calling him a liar. But if this is really as true as to what FOOTAHYPE said, then it's really and truly a big coincidence. You see me I say? A big coincidence. You see? And you know, if something like this happened to you, and if you know that you're innocent and you know that you're not doing nothing wrong, and then the same thing turns around, happen to this person, well, not exactly the same, but in certain ways, then you're going to want to call it karma as well, is it? Alright? But anyways, everything worked out good, nobody hurt. All is said, well, you know, everything is just done with. You see me I say? So anyways, big up on yourself. You see me I say? And I'll go up say that, you know, someone can see this and learn something from it. Is it? Alright? Well, anyways, you don't know me, I'm going to bring to you what hot pan social media for keeping up to date and posted. You see me? So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and let me know what you think at the same time. And always read the comments, you see me? Always read them to stay up to date pertaining to the videos, because like I said, people often said things in the comment section that can be very informative. You understand? Yeah. My name is Skilla, and this way just see is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. We no big up on yourself, my people. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.